You like that? Should I do that more? Today's word is pertinacious. And pertinacious means persistent in sticking to your opinion or your goal. So think of a pertinacious car salesman. You walk in there and he is not letting you leave until you buy something. He's like, hey, I could show you this deal you might like. Oh, what about this new model? Oh, you can add tires. Oh, can I show you what I have around back? I think you're gonna like that. That salesman is being pertinacious, just making sure you buy something. I remember this word. The per is like persistent, just like in the definition. And the tenacious, if you know the word tenacious, it's its own word, meaning like you won't back down. You're really going for it. That's pertinacious. You're persistent at sticking to your opinion or getting what you want. Subscribe for more Word of the Day videos and check out our other free GRE resources in the description below.